Hey, hello guys, it's How to Text Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually remove and delete the textures from your Roblox experiences. It's quite funny, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is go to the search bar in Windows, type in Roblox player. As you can see, it already pops up. Right click it and open up the file location. Now here we're opening up the file location once again on the Roblox player. And here we are in the main file location of Roblox. Now here we're going to add a new folder. So go to new, open up folder, and now type exactly what I'm doing with capitals as well. So client settings, press enter. Now from here we're opening up the client settings, and what we want to do next is make a notepad file. Go to notepad, and what we want to type is client app settings. Now save this file. Now go back once again, and from here we have a view option. Now here go to show and then file name extensions. Make sure that this show file name extensions is turned on. This is checked, because now we're going into the client app settings. Right click it, go to edit right here, and what we want to do, we want to change the text, the TXT to Johnson. Press enter, press yes, and now we want to make a edit in Notepad, and right here we have the Notepad, as you can see, and you want to copy the code that I have right here inside the notepad. As you can see, I'm going to put it in the description down below so you can copy it as well. Now, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of textures missing for my Roblox experience. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.